In the heart of the woods, a hidden treasure lay waiting. Its paint was faded, its journey forgotten. The brave scout discovered it first, eyes wide with wonder. Curiosity danced in their hearts. They crowded around the old engine. Whispers of adventure tickled their ears. An unseen promise lingered in the air. A sudden whistle pierced the stillness. It beckoned them aboard. The mist swirled, inviting them into the unknown. They exchanged glances, hearts racing. Inside, imagination bloomed like wildflowers. Colors erupted everywhere, soft clouds, dancing stars, and fantastical beasts. Possibilities shimmered ahead. "We must tame the dragon," one declared, crafting a tale. The creature loomed before them, fierce yet majestic. Their hearts beat to the rhythm of adventure. Ancient secrets whispered through pages, knowledge unwrapped like a present. They leaned in closer, tracing the path forward together. A wild wind surged, rattling their resolve. Trees bowed and leaves spiraled. Fear threatened to take hold. The train trembled as uncertainty loomed. "Trust your imagination," he shouted. Confidence soared high. They united their strengths and faced the storm. Bravery, creativity, curiosity igniting the air. Together, they shifted the course, calming the raging winds. Waves of color surrendered to their dreams. Peace returned, and a new path emerged. The adventure concluded, and magic persisted. The train morphed into a dream-filled playhouse. Laughter bubbled, echoing through the trees, a sanctuary of imagination. Hand in hand, they beamed. The forest sighed contentment, holding their secrets. Adventure sparked within, brightly alive, waiting to unfold again. From above, the vibrant woods pulsed with life. The magic of imagination shimmered, hidden yet always within reach. An adventure never truly ends.